Welcome to the Knot of the Week. Today we're going to be tying the Knute Hitch and showing you how it looks on our DIY knot board display. Alright, so a Knute hitch can be used for anything that has a lanyard hole as an alternative to a girth hitch or to have a quick way to dummy cord something. So the first thing you're going to do is take a piece of cordage like this paracord here. You're going to form a bite in it, or the start of a loop, and you're going to push that through the lanyard hole, just like so, and you'll have a working end at this point and a standing end. The goal here is to take that working end and put it through that loop that you've created, and then what you're going to do with the working end now, before you pull on the standing part here, is you're going to basically tie a stopper in it. And it could just be as simple as an overhand knot. I like to tie a little figure 8 in there. So there's a little figure 8 knot. And then what you're going to do is take out your slack in your working end so that that stopper knot is very close to that bite that you formed. And you're going to make sure you have the slack taken out. So you're just going to be working that back and forth until you can get that to this point, and then you're going to pull on the standing part just like so, and that will trap that stopper knot. And now you have something that you can haul with. So if you had to haul this up to somebody, you can now haul that. And again, it makes a very quick dummy cord if you needed to dummy cord that. So I'll take that out and do it once more just so you can see that. Take out our stopper knot here. And again, I use the figure 8 just because I like the figure 8 as a stopper. It's very quick for me to tie. So first step, bite in the line, thread it through, just like so. Working end through that loop, tie a stopper knot. So this figure 8 is just around the front, around the back side, and then through. Like that. And now you're going to press this down until you can get this cleaned up there. Thread this through, make sure your stopper knot's tightened up, and that is the Knute hitch. Alright, so this is what it looks like on our DIY knot board display. I tried to do a little miniature Knute hitch here on this little device that looks a little like a figure 8. It's a modified alien loop if you've ever seen one of those. I do not kind of like these DIY devices to make what could otherwise be done with a taut line hitch. So this is a little device before I modified it that could become a taut line hitch. But however, this is our Knute hitch, so you can see the kind of line there. Ran it through this way, now it becomes this little piece of dummy cord, if you will. So that is what is going to go on our DIY knot board, unless I can think of something better. It seems a little hard to see to me on this, but suffice to say that's what we're going to go with until I get something else. So again, how to tie a Knute hitch. All right, thanks for watching the Knot of the Week. Remember, if you liked our video today, please comment and share it around. Treat your friends, treat yourself. Next time.